Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a birthday Bonanza little treat bag. So this has been designed to be a favour for maybe a child's birthday party. So if you've got one that's going to be coming up, you could get ahead and make a bunch of these. Now inside here, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. Let me slide that over. There are two of these little mini highlighters. Stabby-O Boss. This one says hip hip hooray. There's a pale blue one I think is in there. I'm only doing it like this so I don't trash the ribbon. Yes, a pale blue one that says ahoy. So not particularly designed specifically for the colours, but I've got two more over here. And these, like I say, these are mini ones, so you can pick them up in pound shops and places like that really quite inexpensively. But they would make, when you've got children, so my youngest son is 9, and that's a bit of a funny age to be doing party favours for birthday parties. And it's his birthday today. He's turning 9 today, so we're obviously not having a birthday party for him, but that will come later. But yeah, it's a funny age. It's sort of not quite cake age and not quite sort of balloon, so those will be quite good. And all my children love highlighters, don't really know why. Okay, so piece of paper that's 4 1/4 inches by 6 1/2 inches. That's 11 1/2 and 16, and you want to have your pattern so that it's this way, landscape as opposed to portrait, because we're going to score there and then just once along the bottom. So yeah, he's 9 today. We have, all of our birthdays are in clusters. Starts off with mine in the middle of March, then a month later it's Oliver's, 2 weeks time it's Jack's, 3 days off, 4 days off. 3 days after that, yeah, 3 days after that it's Chris's. And it's just like, oh, all these birthdays. Okay, so so you're going to start on the long side, score it at 2 1/4, 3, 5 1/4, and 6, which in metric is 6, 7 1/2, 13 1/2, and 15, and then turn it around and score it at 3/4 inch, 1 1/2 centimetres. So it's 3/4 inch here, 2 1/4 here, and then 3 1/2 for the height. And you can see that's how high it is, that you've got that room to pinch at the top. And yeah, then my other two boys bookend August. So one is the last day of July and the other one is the first day of September, with my mum's and my brother at the same time in the middle of August. And one of my eldest brother, his birthday is the day before. Not my eldest brother, my older brother. His birthday is the day before Oliver's. It's just... And then my dad is out on a limb on his own in November. But yeah, with 4 children, you'd have thought I could have spread the birthdays out. 2 in April and the other 2 a month apart. Right, okay, if I show you this way around, hopefully you can see all my score lines. So we're going to cut straight there and then remove, sorry, straight there as well, and then remove this little rectangle here. So cut straight and wedge just a little bit into the square. Not massively essential, but it you know, it gives you that nice clean finish. And then I'm going to take a teeny tiny little bit off the top there. Okay, and then some tearing tape. Favourite tape in the world. Best tape in the world. So that's folded down, so I'm going to fold in 2 sides in the back and then pop some more tape along here. Peel off the backing there. And close it up, and then I've got my 2 highlighters that just fit in there just nicely. And then you just pinch in the sides at the same time as squeezing, and so you can see this zigzag pattern. Gosh, my camera is perfectly overhead. Wow. It's the little things. And so that's what's going to close it up, and it will resist. It's not going to come any further because obviously the highlighters are in there. Okay, crushed curry, crinkled seam binding ribbon, which is very forgiving. And then the biggest pair of scissors in the world to cut. There we go. That's cute. Right, and then let's get some stamping going on. So I've got a piece of Whisper White. Why did I pull out Smoky Slate? Oh, because I'm doing a koala. But I'm not really sure why. I'm doing a koala. We'll go for a koala. So I haven't yet decided if there is a technique whether you should put the face down, which is this one here, the nose first. I don't know whether you should put the nose down and fit that round it or vice versa. So we'll just have a bash and see what happens. So let's get some blocks. So there's my Smoky Slate, and then I'm going to come in with Stays On. And try not to, you see, yeah, I wonder if it's maybe. That's not bad. Should we get nose down first and then put koala around it? That is no easier. It is nose down first, then koala. Definitely nose first, then koala. Okay, that's good. Right, we knew what we were doing. Well, I know what I'm doing now. Okay, so why did I get the crash to carry out? I'm not really sure. Got the matching dies here. Where is the koala? There he is. We've got the koala, we've got the lion, we've got the toucan. And I've got a magnetic plate. These are left over. If you saw my my video from last week where I showed my customer thank you cards, this is where I did, and I did both sides, both pairs, both sides. Wrecked. My cutting plates are trashed. Might have to treat myself to some more. Okay, so line that up. Move that out of the way. And one koala cut and welded to my dodgy plates. I'm going to pop that away. And then he can come on here, and I'm going to use a dimensional on the back. And then I've got these lovely pom-poms, and I gave these out as customer thank you gifts a couple of months ago, and loads of people went, oh, I hadn't even noticed them, thank you so much. So here's a project for you with them. And they are cute. It's just a little additional extra, and you can see what I'm, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just picking up a mini glue dot with my paper piercer and throwing it at myself. And then I'm picking up the little mini pom-pom that's does not want to focus. There we go. Picking it up on the back. Just too cute. And make a little cluster. Peacock one, I think. And there it is with the little pom-poms. So cute. So there's one. There's the other, and again with a little cluster, and that's quite a big bow, but lovely anyway. So what do you think? Like I say, I think those would make nice little favours for that funny age child. My boys are all at funny ages then. 9, 11 and a half, 14 and a half and 17. Well, Jack's nearly 17. But yeah, funny age at 9 years old. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.